especially my little Ariel.
Ah, yes. She has the most beautiful voice. If only she show up for rehearsals once in a while.
We are the daughters of Triton, great father who loves us and made us well, a quarter and Tina, Arista, Tina, Zella, and then there is the youngest in her musical debut, our seventh little sister representing her to you. We sing our songs of passion through her voices like a melody, our sister.
What's that you're hiding? No. You went up to the surface again, didn't you? Didn't you?
Daddy, I'm 16 years old. I'm not a child.
Don't you take that tone of voice with me, young lady. As long as you live under my ocean, you'll obey my rules.
Why don't you just listen?
I am never to hear of you going to the surface again. Is that clear?
your collection.
Have you lost your mind?
Ari, listen to me. The human world is a life under the sea is better than anything they got up there. Ah. Oh, no. You see, weed is always greener in somebody else's league. No, but that is a big mistake. Just look at the world around you, right here on the ocean floor. Such wonderful things around you. What more is you looking for? Under the sea, under the sea. Darling, it's better down where it's better. Take it from me. There was one day, they slid away. While we did not try to float under the sea. And you laid fruit, not laying out. Big, and they suddenly shot. Oh, the best thing it was. And they just played it off. And so that blowfish. Oh, yeah. Tell me, what is better than all this? Trust me, everything you need is right here under the sea. Oh, it's finished. Under the sea. When there's a deep in the beginning, it's music to me. What do they got? A lot of fast. We got a hot crustacean band. These little clams here know how to jam here under the sea. These little stuff here touch it around here under the sea. These little snakes know how to win here. That's why it's hot under the water. Now we get luck here. Now we get luck here under the sea. Oh my!
How delicious. Daddy's little princess wants to be with the humans. It looks like Triton has a weakness after all. Flotsam, Jetsam, bring her to me. Poor child, poor sweet child. Ursula can help you. Ursula can make all your dreams come true. Now, angelfish, you're here because you want to be with the humans. Find your prince, fall in love. Well, the solution to your problem is quite simple. Become a human yourself.
Can you do that?
Oh, my dear sweet child, that's what I do. It's what I live for. I'll make a potion that will turn you into a human for 3 days. Before the sun sets on the 3rd day, you got to get dear old Princey to kiss you. Not just any kiss, the kiss of true love. If you do that, you'll remain human permanently. But if you don't, you'll turn back into a mermaid, and you will belong to me.
I'll never be with my father or sisters again.
That's right. But you'll have your dream. Life's full of tough choices, isn't it? Oh, there is one more thing, sweet cakes. No more talking, singing, sing.
But without my voice, how can I?
You'll have your nose, your pretty face. And don't underestimate the importance of body language. Come on. Belugas and Ruga on wheels of a cosmic sea. Racist, now scientists and backstaring giants, now put it to me. Now sing.
What's your name? What is it? You can't speak? That's okay. I'm here.
Has he kissed her yet?
No, and there's only one day left. You want something done? You've got to do it yourself. First, we've got to create the mood. Percussion. String. Wind. Word. Yeah, you see her sitting there across the way. She don't got a lot to say, but there's something about her. And you don't know why, but you're dying to try. You wanna kiss the girl. Yes, you want her. Look at her, you know you do. Possible she wants you to. There is one way to ask her. It don't take a word, not a single word. Go on and kiss the girl. Sing it loud. Sha la 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 la, my oh my. Look like a boy too shy. He gonna kiss the girl. Sha la 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 la, ain't that sad? They need to show it too bad. He gonna miss the girl.
You know, I feel really bad not knowing your name. Maybe I can guess. Bill. Okay. How about Diana? Rachel.
Arian. Her name is Arian.
Harry.
Sha la 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 la, put her along and listen to the song of something. Kiss the girl. Sha la 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 la, music. Play, you are not music. Say you got to kiss the girl. You got to kiss the girl. Go on and kiss the girl.
That those two girls. And this meant he'll be kissing her by sunset for sure. Well, it's time Ursula took matters into her own tender hands. Right, daughter, will be mine.
So much to do.
You're too late.
She really does love him, doesn't she, Sebastian?
It's like I always say, Your Majesty. Children got to be free to lead their own lives.
Well, then I guess there's just one problem left.
And what's that, Your Majesty?
How much I'm going to miss her. Ariel,
Daddy?
I'm sorry you had to lose your voice in order for me to hear you.
I love you, Daddy.
YouTube thinks you will like this video right here, so do what it says. Click here for more.